Why is my dish volume not working?
Hello there. Today, we're going to delve into a problem that some of you may be facing, your dish volume not working. Don't worry, we're going to guide you through some steps to help you resolve this issue.
Why is your dish volume not working?
Before we dive into the solutions, let's first understand why the volume on your dish may not be working. There could be a few reasons, such as your remote control is not working properly, the audio settings on your dish receiver are incorrect, your TV's audio settings are improperly configured. The dish receiver or TV itself may have technical issues.
Checking your remote control.
The first step in troubleshooting is to check your remote control. It's possible that the volume control on your dish remote is not working. To check this, you can try using the volume control on your TV instead. If this works, you may need to replace the batteries in your dish remote or may need a new remote altogether.
Checking audio settings on your dish receiver.
The second step is to review the audio settings on your dish receiver. Here are a few things you should check. Make sure the mute option is not selected. Check the volume level. Ensure it is not set too low. You can also try to reset your dish receiver, as this may fix the issue if it's a technical glitch.
Reviewing your TV's audio settings.
The third step involves checking your TV's audio settings. Depending on your TV model, the steps to access these settings may vary. But generally, you would need to check that your TV is not set on mute. Verify that the volume level is not set to 0. Check if the TV sound mode is set to something appropriate for your setup, e.g., stereo, mono, surround.
Inspecting dish receiver and TV for technical issues.
The final step is to inspect your dish receiver and TV for any potential technical issues. You may need to consult with a professional or reach out to dish customer service if you suspect that the problem is more than just incorrect settings. With that, we've covered all the main reasons why your dish volume might not be working and how to troubleshoot it. Remember, if you've gone through all these steps and the issue persists, it's time to reach out to dish customer service for further assistance. We hope this guide has been helpful, and your volume issue gets resolved soon. Happy watching!